In this video, I'll show you how to get your transcript from Zoom. Let's get started. First, join your Zoom meeting. During the meeting, you'll see captions appear on your screen. You can hide them if you prefer. Next, look for the option called View Full Transcript and click on it. This will open the transcript panel on the side of your screen. Now, at the bottom of this panel, you'll see an option called Save Transcript. Click on it. After saving, you can select Show in Folder to quickly access the file on your computer. This is the transcript file you can use for notes, feedback, or sharing. One important thing to remember: if you don't save the transcript during the meeting, you won't be able to access it later, so make sure to save it before the meeting ends. Also, if you save the transcript multiple times, it will overwrite the previous file, so you'll only have one updated version. If you don't see the captions or transcript option, check the More menu, especially if your window is small. And that's it. That's how you can easily get your Zoom transcript. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.